Good afternoon, student. In previous period, you had studied the definitions of carbon compound and drawing the dot and dash structures of molecules like hydrogen, nitrogen, methane, etc. Today, try to understand the next concept in this chapter is the carbon versatile element. You know that carbon is also have ability to form a strong covalent bond with its own atom as well as other atom and to form a different types of compounds. In our daily lives, we will use the large quantity of carbon compounds. The compound which is extracted from living organism like plant and animals, such compounds are called as the organic compounds, or it is also called as the carbon compound. It means that in our daily life, which will use the substance which is made up from metal, clay or glass. Only such type of substance are not called carbon compounds, but all compounds are called carbon compounds because all compounds is derived or extracted from the living organisms. Therefore, these carbon compounds are occur in very large in number, as well as the molecular mass of this carbon compound is 10 to power 1 to 10 to power 12. Question may be arise, why this molecular weight is too much high as compared to the other compounds? The main reason is due to the versatile or abnormal property of carbon. Which type of versatile or abnormal properties observed in this carbon other than the other elements? The first property is the catenation property. First reason is the catenation power. What is meant by catenation's power? The atoms of an element which have ability to form a bond with its own atom. Such property is referred as called as the catenation property, and this property mostly observed in carbons. It means that carbons form a bond with its own atom. Not only form, it form a very strong and stable covalent bond. Due to this catenation property, they continuously join with its own atom, carbon atom, and to produce a long chain of these carbon compounds. Hence, its molecular weight is increases. This is the first reason. And due to catenation property, the carbon compounds occur in two forms. One is the open chain form. First is the open chain. And second is the closed chain. Due to this catenation property, carbon compound occur in two forms, open chain and closed chain. The example of open chain is butane. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. The name of compound is the butane. It is called an N-butane because it is a state chain. Open chain for the two types, state chain, and second is it also occurs in the branch chain. The name of compound is the isobutane. This is the first type in case of open chain. Due to the catenation property, carbon have ability to form a state chain carbon compound as well as the branch chain carbon compound. And carbon also form a closed chain. Like for example, benzene. This is the structure of benzene. First reason, due to the catenation property, the carbon compounds are occurring very large in number. This is the abnormal property observed in the carbons. Second one, the carbons have the ability to form a multiple bond. Means that carbon form with its own carbon atom single bond as well as double or triple bond. For example, ethane. In case of ethane, carbon contain the only single bond. In case of ethene, the carbon contain the double bond. And third is the acetylene. In case of acetylene, carbon contain the triple bond. It means that due to the ability to form a multiple bond, the carbon compound occurs in large numbers. Third reason, carbons have ability to form bond with other atom also, like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. For example, methane, CH3Cl, methyl chloride, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, CBr4, carbon tetrabromide. Such type of compounds is also formed by the carbons. This is the third reason. Fourth reason is the isomerism. Isomerism means the organic compound or carbon compound which have a same molecular formula but different in structural formula. For example, here butane is given. The molecular formula of butane is C4H10. Molecular formula. But structural formula here, this is the first structure, and second structure is different. Such phenomena is called as the isomerism. These phenomena occur in the carbon compounds. Due to this four reason, the carbon compounds is occur in very large number, and these versatile or abnormal properties occur in case of carbon compound. Due to this reason, carbon compounds have a high molecular weight as compared to other compounds, or carbon compounds are occur in the nature very large in number. Question may be asked, give the scientific reason why the carbon compounds are occurring in million number or large in numbers. Or sometimes question will be asked, define cation powers, straight chain compound, closed chain compound, or isomerism. Such type of question may be asked in the examination. Thank you.